Meaning of hornbeam.
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 Hornbeam. Hornbeam is a type of hardwood tree that belongs to the Beechiaceae family. The tree can grow up to 25 meters tall and has a smooth, gray bark that shakes off in thin flakes. Its leaves are alternate, simple and serrated, and its flowers are small and appear in early spring before the leaves emerge. Hornbeam trees are popular for their hard, strong wood, which is commonly used for furniture, tool handles, and flooring. Additionally, the tree's seeds provide food for wildlife such as birds and small mammals.